Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at your main menu submenu, which is the config menu, and this will be for TruCUT RDWorks. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program, yeah. Now, just a quick reminder, this is a mini-series on the main menu, and I will leave relevant links in the description so you guys can follow along. So currently we are navigating through all these different menus, having an overview of what's found inside of these sub-menus. And today we're going to be looking at the config menu. Now, you can simply just click on this menu, but you can also keep Shift and S, as you can see there. Alt and S, and that will open this menu for you. My apologies. Now, under this menu, we have a few different options. A lot of these are to configure a lot of different settings, either for the program or the file or the actual display document, you can say, or the display area. Now, first of all, we've got system settings. So this is obviously more system related configurations you can do. Then we've got the file parameters, or they call it the file para settings. This is obviously more related to the file again. Then we've got here the page settings. So this is a great place also if you want to set up your resolution and so forth for your document. And under that, we've got password settings. So if you want to play around with that, but I wouldn't recommend it. Just rather learn the default. Then we also have here docking point, and then we've got the graph hatch, and then we've got a show array. So that are the settings, or that is the settings located under the config menu. So just keep in mind, most of these settings are there, not all of them, but most of them for configuring either the system or the page or something in that line. I'll be under your config submenu. But otherwise, we had to head here to softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also you can isolate your search on the top right. Just simply type in what you're looking for and hit the magnifying glass button. If you do not, however, find what you're looking for, you can always go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll try and make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.